Take the next step on your journey to a simpler life with practical products from Lehman's. A simpler life is satisfying. Our souls yearn for a finished product and an I made it with my own hands sense of accomplishment. Living a lively, active, engaged life fulfills our most basic needs. A simpler life helps encourage engagement, and engagement provides satisfaction. Get close to your food source by planting your own garden, even if you have limited space. You have a choice. Sometimes the better choice requires a bit more time or a bit more effort, but it's worth it. Few things are more rewarding or meaningful than saying, I did it myself. Feel the satisfaction of eating fresh, wholesome food that you know doesn't contain any chemicals or anything artificial. Invest in your family with tried and true tools and products that will last a lifetime. Learn new skills that you can pass down to the next generation. Think of the skill set that your grandparents had, from living off the land to raising livestock. From plant to plate to pantry, let Lehman's help you live a satisfying, simpler life. Lehman's on the Square in Kidron, Ohio, where we're open every day except Sunday and always open at lehmans.com.